Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0132, indicative of a high voltage in the air-fuel ratio AF sensor circuit for the 2022 Honda Civic. The AF sensor is critical for measuring the mixture of air and fuel in the engine, which plays a pivotal role in optimizing combustion efficiency and emission control. When the output voltage from this sensor exceeds specified limits, the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) marks this anomaly by storing DTC P0132. Understanding this code is significant for diagnosing potential issues with engine performance and emissions. The vehicle must be serviced promptly to prevent further engine or emission-related complications, ensuring longevity and regulatory compliance. The DTC P0132 signals a situation where the output voltage of the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, sensor 1, is above the calibrated threshold. The AF sensor measures the air-fuel mixture, crucial for the engine's internal combustion process. Located in the exhaust system, usually before the catalytic converter, the sensor provides the PCM with real-time data on fuel efficiency. If the PCM detects that this voltage is excessively high, it interprets this as an abnormal condition, thereby triggering the DTC and isolating the issue to either the sensor itself, the external wiring, or the PCM workings. Hence, understanding each component's function and location is vital in diagnosing the problem accurately. This lays the foundation for troubleshooting the error effectively. The causes for the DTC P0132 can be categorized primarily into three areas. Firstly, a faulty air-fuel ratio AF sensor, sensor 1, could be the direct cause, as it may be producing abnormal readings due to internal failure. Secondly, wiring issues, such as frayed, damaged, or shorted wires, can disrupt the sensor's signal transmission to the PCM, leading to erroneous high-voltage readings. Lastly, a malfunctioning Powertrain Control Module (PCM) may also misinterpret sensor data, consequently producing this DTC. Each of these factors contributes distinctively to the sensor circuit conditions, necessitating a thorough inspection of all components involved to establish the root cause effectively. The DTC P0132 can manifest through various symptoms that indicate engine dysfunction. A noticeable decline in engine performance may occur as fuel efficiency is compromised due to incorrect air-fuel mixture readings. Drivers may experience higher fuel consumption, leading to increased operational costs and environmental ramifications. Usually, the check engine light on the dashboard will be illuminated, alerting the driver to a potential issue that needs addressing. Additionally, this fault may impact the emissions output of the vehicle, possibly leading to failures during emissions testing. Identifying these symptoms early enables timely diagnostics and repair, ensuring smooth and compliant vehicle operation. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without any load. This simulation should continue until the radiator fan activates, which indicates the system is at a normal operating temperature. Once the fan activates, you can let the engine return to idle. This procedure helps verify if the AF sensor is functioning correctly under different operating conditions. Monitoring the engine's reactions during this process can provide preliminary insights into whether the sensor or related circuits are responsible for the high voltage error indicated by DTC P0132. In this step, you will need to perform an inspection of the AF sensor, sensor 1. Begin by ensuring the AF sensor's 6-pin connector is disconnected to facilitate a safe and accurate assessment. The inspection involves checking the internal circuits within the sensor, which should not show continuity when tested in the off position. This is critical because the absence of continuity indicates a functional sensor. Following these guidelines can help you determine whether the AF sensor itself is malfunctioning or if it is functioning normally, thus ruling it out as a culprit if conditions align with specifications. During this step, preparations for inspecting the relevant wiring should commence by disconnecting the PCM connector to analyze the external circuits involved. Before proceeding, ensure to jump the SCS line with the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, and allow more than a minute for accurate readings. With both the AF sensor and the PCM connectors disconnected, inspect the respective signal wires, LAFVG, LAFVN, LAFCP, and LAFCA for shorts or other defects. Confirm that none of the wires are shorted to power by performing specific tests as outlined in the diagnostics. This will identify any issues in the wiring that might be causing the high voltage problem detected by the PCM. The final step in diagnosing DTC P0132 is to conduct a thorough assessment of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, after ensuring that other components are functioning normally. If previous tests confirm normal conditions for the AF sensor and circuit without faults, it is plausible that the PCM is the underlying cause of the reported error. It's crucial to check the PCM for proper operational conditions, since misprocessing or inaccurate interpretations of sensor data may originate here. Abnormal results from these checks can lead to confirming that the PCM is defective and needs to be repaired or replaced. Understanding the integral role of the PCM helps in accurately determining if it is the source of the problem. Upon completion of all troubleshooting steps for DTC P0132, it's essential to verify the repairs conducted. This involves clearing the trouble code from the PCM and performing a retest to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Once the DTC is cleared, run the engine again while observing for any return of symptoms or indications from the checks previously performed. Monitoring the engine's overall functionality is vital, as it assesses repair effectiveness and ensures that the components are operating as intended post-repair. This verification process is key in confirming a successful resolution of the high-voltage issue associated with the AF sensor. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0132 and ensuring optimal engine performance. Regular inspections of the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor and its wiring can preemptively catch any potential failures before they escalate into significant issues. Additionally, maintaining the PCM with regular software updates will help in ensuring its functionalities are aligned with the latest operational standards, thus promoting longevity. By routinely monitoring engine performance and the air-fuel mixture composition, you can prevent complications from arising. Adopting these maintenance practices not only enhances vehicle reliability, but also aids in diminishing unexpected repairs down the line. In conclusion, understanding the DTC P0132 is vital for maintaining the performance and compliance of the Honda Civic. The code signifies an issue related to the air-fuel ratio, AF sensor, with a detected high-voltage output. Following the described troubleshooting procedures enables effective diagnostics to pinpoint the exact cause, whether it is the sensor, wiring, or the PCM itself. Additionally, incorporating preventive maintenance checks can help mitigate risks of reoccurrence, promoting a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance. Ultimately, addressing this code efficiently ensures your vehicle remains compliant with emission standards, while bolstering engine performance and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!